Hey everyone, it's Maury. Just wanted to check in real quick. I'm still up in northern Arizona dealing with a family thing that we have going on, so I haven't been able to do any filming or projects or anything like that, and that's probably not going to change for at least the next week, I'm guessing. So, just wanted to let you know that I'm still here and, just taking it as it comes. I can say that this year can just piss off because holy mackerel, there's too much going on. In other news, I was able to watch some of my videos from the perspective of somebody else, and I learned a couple of things. One, I'm getting way too close to the camera. I don't need to be sticking my mug that close to the camera to begin with. And two, holy crap, am I boring? Jesus. So I'm going to try to correct that. I think I've been so focused on doing everything right that I lost sight of making it enjoyable to watch at the same time. So I'm going to have to regroup and see if I can do something about that. Unfortunately, this is not the week to do that. So I hope everybody is good. Like I said, I just wanted to touch base, doing this in a single take in the car with no editing. So hopefully my morning gravelly, phlegmy voice didn't ruin it. But hey, check back. I'll post something eventually. Until then, just send good vibes, and I'll see you soon.